want to go over a quick, important topic here on why people should continue to go to the chiropractor even after their initial care plan, a phase that we might call the wellness care or maintenance care. First of all, we must ask ourselves, is the human body a machine? Of course it is. It's just like a door hinge, it's just like a cell phone, it's just like a computer, it's just like a car. Any machine that's worth anything to you is worth maintaining throughout life. And your body should be number one on your priority list. Don't take better care of your automobile than you do your own body. I have here just a little tidbit of research which validates why spinal maintenance is important for health and how it can benefit you in the long run throughout your life as you're regularly seeing a chiropractor each and every week or 2 weeks or maybe every 3 weeks if you're getting adjusted. Perfectly fine. We have here, maintenance care optimizes the levels of function and provides a process of achieving the best health possible. And then down here a little ways I've underlined, because spinal manipulative therapy or adjustments, because adjustments bring the joint to the end of the paraphysiological joint space to encourage normal range of motion, routine adjustments of asymptomatic patients, asymptomatic, no pain, no symptoms, routine adjustments retards the progression of joint degeneration, neuronal changes, changes in muscular strength, recruitment patterns, all of which may result in improved function, decreased episode of injuries, and improved sense of well-being for the patient. Who would not want that throughout their life? Who wouldn't want that forever? I like to eat healthy. I plan on doing that forever because I know it's going to make me a healthier person throughout life. Yes, it's about quantity. We want to live for a long time, but I would rather live a shorter life full of good quality than a long life of misery, and I know you would too. So to recap, when we regularly adjust the spine, we are decreasing inflammation, which decreases that degeneration that happens in the spine. We are improving nerve function, of course. As we take pressure off the spine, we're taking pressure off the nerves. Why is that important? Well, the nerves control everything else in the body, taking pressure off the nerves. We improve the muscle strength and the recruitment patterns, so we improve the efficiency of your muscles in your body. We could just go to the chiropractor once a week just for that reason alone, but we'll continue on. We will decrease the risk of injury because the body is more stable, it's more strong, it's more intact. Not to mention, several studies, dozens, hundreds, have proven that when we keep the spine well adjusted, we have better coordination, better balance. So we reduce injuries, especially in athletes and especially in the elderly population who have slips, trips, and falls more often than someone maybe 30, 40, 50 years of age. And lastly, we improve the mindset around health. You can't tell me that thinking, hey, I'm a healthy person, I'm getting regular adjustments, I'm eating healthy, I'm sleeping right, I'm fulfilled in my career, I'm fulfilled at home with my family. You can't tell me that that mindset doesn't set up a healthier body. There's so many studies, so many books written on this topic. What goes on up here will definitely show up down here. And so improving your mindset about health, one of the greatest ways to keep yourself as healthy as possible for as long as possible, as is regular chiropractic care. Thank you so much for watching. Looking forward to seeing you on the next video.